hope you guys are okay. In today's video I have a giveaway for you guys. Yes, I have been planning this giveaway since the start of November. I wanted to do it on Thanksgiving Day, but I had some other things to do and I totally got so busy. But I didn't forget you guys. Oh my god hair in collaboration with Francella Bella. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you are returning, welcome back. Watch a video, like it, comment on it, show some love, and yeah, I appreciate y'all. Now I'm gonna take a few minutes to explain to you guys about the giveaway that I was planning and how you guys can actually be a part of it. So if you want to see that, then yeah, stick around to the video. If you don't really know about me, then yeah, I'm a jack of all trades. I had a hair business and I am giving away some stuff for winter, because during winter, that's when your hair needs so much more care than you can ever imagine. So I'll be giving away some stuff, and the rules are pretty simple. All you gotta do is watch this video to the end, like it, comment on it, message me on Instagram or Facebook Messenger. My Facebook is Cine, C-I-N-E Donaldson. You can find me on Facebook. You can message OMG here, and you can also message me on Instagram at Francella Bella. I will leave in the link to all of my social media handles down below, so it will be pretty easy for you guys to find me. Pretty simple, right? Watch the video, like it, comment, message me with a screenshot of your comments on my video, and then you can just go and tell your friends about the giveaway. As soon as I receive your screenshot, guys, I will prepare some raffle tickets for you. I'll write your name on here and I will save your ticket and I will put it in a jar. 3 days before Christmas, I'm gonna do a raffle and I'm gonna choose the winners. Now there are 5 prizes to be won. I'm so excited to share the prizes with you guys. So yes, the moment you've been waiting for is now. I'm going to show you the prizes, so I hope you guys will like them. And yeah, the main prize is going to be some hair. Yes, some hair. I will be giving away 9 packs of curly faux locks hair. And if you don't know what that hair looks like, it looks like this. I just pulled this one out of the pack so that you guys can see it. This is what it looks like in the pack. I'm going to be giving away 8 packs because that is enough to do a full style. And that will be the grand prize. Yes! Okay, beautiful people. So on to the next prize. To a lucky, amazing beauty out there, I'll be giving away 5 packs of this Mambo Faux Locks hair. It's 18 inches, same as the other one, but this one is straight. I'm so excited. The next prize is mixed. 2 packs of Expressions hair and 2 packs of Afro Kinky hair together. So in total, 4 packs. So one special person is going to be receiving these 4 packs of hair. Isn't that amazing? Those are the hairs that you will be receiving, yes, to do your protective style and take care of your hair during winter time. And there are 2 more prizes, in total 5 prizes. Then some people are worried about dryness during these times, so for that I'll be giving away rose water, weightless conditioner, and some Eco Styler gel. Now I'm gonna give away 2 jars of Eco Styler gel and 1 weightless conditioner to a lucky person. Yes! So yes, this is the 4th prize and I can't wait for somebody to receive this. This is gonna be amazing. The final prize also has products that can use to seal your moisturizers and also lay your edges or your entire hair. So the final prize is going to be this one right here. Now this is, right here we have Aussie hairspray, Aussie sponge hairspray, and I don't even know how to pronounce this name and I don't want to butcher it on camera, so I'm gonna say Taliwa. Yes, we're gonna give away the Taliwa Black Earth product healing oil. This one will moisturize, soften, protect your hair and your skin as well. So yeah, this is really good. It is actually 8 fluid ounces, so it's a generous amount that can keep you for a long time. So this and the Aussie sponge, and also an Eco Styler gel. So yeah, one lucky person will actually receive this as well. So guys, If you're excited about this giveaway, don't forget to just follow the simple rules. All you need to do is find me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, 2, like this video that you're watching right now, make sure you watch the video to the end, and 3, make sure you don't forget to comment on the video. When you comment on the video, that's how I'm gonna know who I should write the raffle ticket for. 1 comment equals 2 raffle tickets. Don't forget to message me with a screenshot of your comments on my video through my hair page, Oh My God Hair Health and Beauty Care, through my personal page, Scene Donaldson on Facebook, and also you can message me on Instagram at Francella_Bella. I hope you guys will continue to support each other in this festive season and in times to come. And I can't wait to actually give these away to a lucky person. Tell your friends so that they can be a part of the fun as well. You guys can even share products when you win, like whatever you want to do, that's up to you. But I'm so excited to give these away. Oh My God Hair Health and Beauty Care in collaboration with Francella Bella YouTube channel. Love you guys, and we thank you for the support. Continue to support each other during this festive season and in other seasons to come. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share the video with your friends. Be a part of the giveaway, and good luck. I will update you in another video 3 days before Christmas, so I can't wait. See you guys. Bye.